Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming network credentials and powering the Epson. You need the exact SSID and password because wireless is case-sensitive. Write them down. Turn the printer on, install ink and paper if needed, and navigate to the printer's control panel. Once done, enable the wireless or network settings menu so the device can search for networks. Make sure your phone or computer is already connected to the same Wi-Fi and that any VPN or guest network isolation is turned off. Now you'll choose a connection method, manual or WPS. If using the Wi-Fi setup wizard, select your SSID from the list and carefully enter the password. This method gives control and shows errors. If your router supports WPS, press the router's WPS button, then tap WPS on the printer within 2 minutes for an automatic link. Once connected, consider using the Epson iPrint app on your phone. It detects printers and walks you through drivers and optional firmware updates for stability. Finish by printing a network status page to confirm the printer's IP address and that Wi-Fi shows connected. Then install Epson drivers on your computer and add the printer by network or IP. This ensures full functionality. If printing fails, restart both router and printer and try again. Many issues clear on a reboot. A key troubleshooting tip: if reconnection repeatedly fails, check router security settings. Change to 4 GHz versus 5 GHz band, or disable MAC filtering temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.